The classes in Alpha Salt are read up now.
This is no fear. I'm starving. My belly's rumbling.
Good afternoon, loons and quines. It'll be an indoor lunch a day, Abadi, because it's thin and dune.
Fit about going to see the Heedy to see fit why we're nearly due to play.
Aye.
What you doing here? You should be having your day now. Fit have your day.
We've nae done anything wrong. Fit why are we nae allowed to play?
There's nae in your staff. And it's thingin' doing, soaking wheat and dreich. So you're nae gang outside.
But we hae the right to play.
Had your wish and gang awa. I'm up to my lugs with work. Fit impudence we geets.
A puckle weeks later.
There's no school a day, loons and quines.
Fit warning!
The heating's broken down and it's too cold.
A filey later.
You're not coming inside.
Fit warning!
You're soaking wet.
You canna go outside to play.
Fit warning!
You'll get dricket. The next week.
Break time, Zora. Get inside now.
We're not doing that, Mrs. McDonald.
Fit why not?
But it's tea fine a day and it's boiling hot.
We had the right to play